All right, so we are going to be installing the control box for a Minleon permanent lighting system. You will want to download the Minleon app to start. It's called RGB plus mesh. You can see it in the bottom right hand corner, and you're going to click on this and open it. Anything that you see that is nearby, it will detect, and it's going to ask you if you would like to pair the controller with your app. So the first thing you want to do is pair the controller with your app. Press the pair button. It's going to sit here and think, and then it's going to ask you if you would like to add this device to a group. So go ahead and drag the blue ribbon and drag it down into a select group. That tells you that we're going to start a new group or we're going to add it to an existing group. Go ahead and we're going to start a new group since it's the first time, and we're just going to call it new install. Very generic of me. Go ahead and start a new group, add it in, and now it's going to ask you what kind of device this is, right? So this is a 4-wire double data string. So you're going to want to select that, and after that, it's going to ask you how many lights are in the system. Well, to know how many lights are in the system, you're going to look at the controller itself. You can see that there are 2 blue lights lit up currently. That means that you're ready to start programming it. So go ahead and go back to your app, and you're going to want to press the plus button when you get to your app, and you're going to increase the amount of pebbles you have, and every time you increase the pebbles, those blue lights are going to move on. At the beginning of your strand, you're going to have 2 blue lights, all the rest will be red, and then when the last 2 pebbles in your series are blue, that means that you have it set to the correct length. So this is a 5 bulb system. It's just a 5 bulb string. So we're going to have 2 blue in the beginning, 1 red in the middle, and 2 blue at the end. And when you see that, you know that you've done it correctly. 2 blue in the beginning, 2 at the end. Everything in the middle is red. Now there's only 1 red because it's only 5 bulbs, but you get the idea. So once you have the correct amount of pebbles selected, you're just going to press the next button. This is going to start saving the amount of pebbles, and the system's going to recognize that you have 5 pebbles in this system. If you had 120 pebbles, you would just keep pressing plus until there. That's it. You can see that now you have 5 pebbles all lit up in white. This just confirms that you did everything correct. At this point, everything's done. So you can press the done button, and you can go in and you can start actually changing the colors, messing around with it, setting schedules, whatever you want to do. But you can see that the device is completely connected, and I'm just going to run through a couple of tests. You can see that I'm going to turn the lights green. I'll change the camera over so you can see that they turn green. And then we'll go ahead and we'll make the lights pink. It's a very simple process. I just go back to the app. I'm going to select this. I'm going to select a color wheel. I'm going to click over where the pink color is, and then I'm going to switch back over so you can see it turn pink. That's all there is to this, guys. It is a very simple system. Run the track, run the lights, and set up the system, and you're good to go.